When it comes to data, the faster you can turn this into this, the faster you can understand and use it all. To make your business run better with Microsoft Power BI, you can quickly connect to data, prep it, model, and visualize as much or as little as you like. Then, surely share insights even embed it all into your app or website. To get started, download the free Power BI desktop application and hop right in. Soon you'll be connected to hundreds of data resources or in the cloud like Excel, Salesforce, Google Analytics, social networks, and even IoT devices to get real-time information and turning all that data into live, interactive visuals. With Power BI, you can make it easy to always be in compliance too. Download the free Power BI application today and start turning your data into smart decisions for your business.